Tama, yun na yun.
Hindi. Bumalik pa sa San Antonio.
Nonay, di ba doon? Tama yung paggagastos, magpadala.
Hindi. Tatawag lang yan.
Whose house is this?
Subdivision.
Oh.
Bukas din ang ganito.
You've arrived. Destination is on your left.
Alam mo yung iniikutan mo? Munisipyo?
Oo. Yung kasi sinusukan namin, diyan ka. Okay, ito yung city, kaya maganda.
Kaya may flat na mo po, diba? Hira naman. Side ticket.
So this place is Santa Una or Cinta Una. I don't know how to pronounce it, but actually it's closed now, so we can't go in for lunch. So now we're going. So this guy was very kind enough to tell us that the restaurant was closed and asked us to go to this 528 restaurant where his son apparently his son's restaurant. Yeah. So now we're going in. Then we're gonna go and have some food because we're all kind of really hungry. Kind of hungry, but very, very, very hungry. Extremely hungry. So when I first walked in, I smelled coffee. Oh my god. Very familiar smell. I love it. I'm gonna get coffee later on. Baba. No worry, no worry, stay here. Oh yeah.
Sige po.